Series are many times represented with the sigma notation. So this symbol is called sigma. And what that means is we have k is equal to 1 going up to n. And that is the index. And what that means is that we plug in 1, then 2, then 3, all the way up to n. So whatever n is here, that's where we stop. And then you want to add up those terms. So for number 4, it says write down the terms and find the sum. And our formula is k, and we're starting at k is equal to 1 and working our way up to k is equal to 5. So if you plug in 1, it's just going to be 1. Plus, if you plug in 2, it's just going to be 2. Then you plug in 3, and that'll be 3. Then plug in 4. Then plug in 5. So you're adding up the first 5 terms, and because the formula is just k, it's just the number. So if you add these up, then you should get 15. Looking at number 5, we kind of have a more complicated formula here, but the process is the same. So you start with k is equal to 1 and plug that into the formula, and that will get you 7. Then you move up to k is equal to 2 and plug that into the formula. So if you plug 2 in, you get 9. Then you move up to k is equal to 3 and plug that into the formula, and you get 11. And you should be able to start to see a pattern here. But then if you plug in 4, and that's our last term that we plug in, we get 13. And then you want to add these up. So this is equal to 40. So you always start with what they have k being equal to here, and then you stop with whatever number is on the top. And then you add up those terms.